In this video, we will show you how to use a concat function. Let's say we want to combine the first name and last name in one column. Type an equal sign, type concat, type in open parenthesis, select the cell with the first name, type a comma, type quotation marks, press the spacebar key, type quotation marks, type a comma, select the cell with the last name, type a close parenthesis, and press enter. You can also add a word in your formula. For example, type an equal sign, type concat, type an open parenthesis. Let's select the first name, type a comma, type quotation marks, press the spacebar key, type the word you would like to use, type quotation marks, type a comma, type quotation marks, press the spacebar key, type quotation marks, type a comma, and let's select the last name, type a close parenthesis, and press enter. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.